stars are shining in Mumbai. The under-19 stars like Kamlesh Nagarkoti and the old man.
And the best, 116 in fact, he hit one of the far. A hint of... Oh, goes for the big one, the first boundary from...
Just allowing Punt just to use his hands to get through the ball. Looking for that swing, wasn't a lot there on offer on that occasion.
Oh, goes for the big one. One bounce into
down the ground off the third delivery of the over. Then that one, not a bad length, fractionally short.
In the last 12 months or so, has preferred to bowl off spin. Yes, it's off spin. In the air and first wicket.
Murray giving the ball flight as well, which was the biggest surprise. Usually the spinners try and dart them in the power play. He's gone the opposite. Flight on offer. And it wasn't
100 runs in his 20-over career. Striker fully endorsed those views. Oh, Manoj Tiwari goes, does a Malinga
delivery. Check that out. That's called changing it up. Did all the hard work, set him up with just all these different deliveries and got the ball in the right area. Putting next to an Australian who watched that under-19 World Cup, guys.
Oh, nice shot. In the air and goes over Abhishek Nair. We'll have to give it a chase. Oh, that's a terrific shot by Rishabh Pant.
Let's test out this 71-metre boundary. Cleared it easily.
Oh, in the air this time. The fielder getting under it. Oh, that's a good catch. Good catch.
Brilliant catch. I thought initially he'd got himself out of position. It was skied very high. He ran straight back. He didn't do a drop step, try and get the ball over one shoulder at the last minute. Just that extra.
19 in New Zealand.
Very happy to be seeing him play.
Oh, in the air. Plays it beautifully.
Just a little indication that it was just... It looked as if he was trying to tell him that he was trying to roll his fingers, but the seam was up beautifully. Just sort of thick outside edge.
Oh, that's sublime timing. That's pure timing.
To the ball. The weight transfer, the timing.
Ready, Currier. Oh, backs away, making room, and that's a big one.
Gives himself some room. And that flashing blade allows it to carry all the way.
Oh, pulls that away, will be another boundary.
Just been pumped over cover. The short ball. KL Rahul not getting hold of it, but it's still KL Rahul on strike, but at the other end.
Oh, that's played well. That's really played.
To end the final ball of the last over. It's the way he kind of checks it, uses his wrist.
A 46-year-old goes for the googly and it's got
ball, and the first ball stronged over long on for a 6. Great shot, great hands, quick hands, very well played.
Well, this time goes over covers. It was a leg break and but nevertheless, what a shot it was. Inside out, leg break, just goes over covers KL Rahul.
And he shows the variety of shots he's got in his armory, KL Rahul. That was nicely played over
covers. This one, Praveen Tambe bowls it short and beep beep. It's a bowled this ball way back from the crease. KL Rahul was up. This time goes over the top, third.
Played it straight over his head for a massive 6. He's in top form.
Shots. Oh, bowled him, comes back strongly.
Pretty well there. Though he got hit for 3 sixes, he got the wicket at the end of KL Rahul. Oh, there was a bit of turn. Well bowled. 56 of 31 balls. See some really big hits now. Carry it for 200 games. It's never easy. And that's why he's such an amazing talent. And what
gives him that opportunity to free his arms He doesn't miss that opportunity at all. Edges that one and goes to...
Well bowled again. A bit lucky. Yuvraj Singh got the outer edge of the bat and runs down to third man.
Following the game, as we can see, that's a massive one that's going to go because it was just a few meters away from us.
Looked pretty close to a 6 to me.
Well, we'll just confirm that. Yes, it's all.
And it's great if, they really help us bring the awareness up.
Treating Manoj Tiwari like a pedestrian on the streets of Mumbai. Manoj won't like that very much, but he started great.
Once again in the air, and that's taken.
I think he's sort of announced himself to the world on that stage, had an opportunity tonight and showed us his skill set. Just Gill goes for 23 from...
Oh, does well here. Yuvraj Singh just checking whether it's a 4 or a 6. Just thought it fell well in.
A little more height than distance.
I love when Yuvraj Singh is on song and plays like this. Once again,
Ball. Pressure on this over early doors with 5 runs coming from the first 2 deliveries.
once again, straight on the ground. And that's
In the 14th over at the moment, he's got a wonderful platform.
just checking up on that, whether it fell in. Oh, that's in the air. There's a man in the deep, but he'll be a mere spectator.
And as well, that's the other thing. 6 wickets to go. Very nicely struck. Took on the fielder. Long
Oh, what a shot. That's a
crease. Once again creates the length by his footwork. Dinesh Karthik, he moves.
Oh, once again, playing it fine. It's quick outfield.
In the crease. Going wide on the crease at the moment, trying to get the ball to angle in.
Oh, that's pulled away. Landing over, but still we'll have to see, just see going back and across, using the depth of the crease.
Oh, top edge. Raina coming under it, he's got it.
There's a lot of entertainment this evening as UV for that extra bounce. It catches the outer part.
Oh, first ball and a boundary. Lovely shot, just a little bit of a both of them. Oh, big one, attempts a big one. Second ball. Go.
Who's going to have bragging rights by the end of this innings? A juicy full delivery in the slot. Smashed away.
What Karthik? Full toss, outside off stump, a man coming under it.
It was the angle that was created from Vinay Kumar. Wide and around the wicket. A full toss that probably should have been dispatched, but it was just the angle that meant that. Well, that's 3 full tosses in a row.
This time he's not going to miss out on that. Rolled his fingers over it, and Krunal Pandya is in terrific. Oh, terrific shot. Good.
Opens himself up. Again, missing the Yorker.
Goes to the top now. Top edge is it. Hardik Pandya comes under it.
Looking for a few more smashes away. But unfortunately for him.
Oh, in the air. Third man coming under it. And Shikhar Dhawan, yes.
Felt the ball was going to go anywhere. Battled the core out in the middle. Good thing that.
Numbers. Oh, plays a blind shot. And fine leg coming on.
The final laugh in the end. He wins the bragging rights in this battle of the brothers. He wasn't even looking there.
That edge goes past the keeper, will get a boundary out.
Gives himself a bit of room, does Mavi.
Last ball and just a single.